Cutting bangs. Oh, that didn't work very well. Cutting bangs. Cutting bangs into a synthetic wig. I'm going to make sure that those combs are underneath my wig cap. If you do not have any bio hair, this is really a great hack to use those wig grips to really hold it into place. People ask me why don't I offer this as a custom service, but everybody's forehead is different and you want to make sure that this is actually something you really do in person. Hair will not grow back, so I do want to make sure that I am not doing a ton right away because I want to be able to really work my way there. Like if I don't want it too blunt of a bang or too thick of a bang, you got to start smaller. This part you can do on a mannequin head so you are not burning your head. However, I mostly trust myself. Comb here, I'm just making sure that that hair is falling forward. That way I'm actually retraining the strands to make sure that they are going the right direction. This is great because you can really dissipate that heat and not clamp it down if I were to use like a flat iron for something like this. And I can get really close to that root. Now we're going to start cutting. I think I want to do more of a curtain bang, so I do want to start a little bit longer. I think this might be too dull. Hold, please. So far, so good. Honestly, this might even work here if I just were to style them. And I kind of just want to do that, but this is supposed to be more of a tutorial, so I'm not going to quit just after one cut, although I kind of want to. I'm gonna go in with my heat comb here to start really putting it the way that I want it to be before moving on. Seriously, this is kind of hilarious just how quickly that worked out. But I do want to show actual bangs, so let's keep going. Party on, Wayne. So what I'm going to do is pull all of that hair forward again. I do want it to taper down to the sides, but I'm going to pull this down and then I'm going to point cut. This is going to keep the bangs really nice and wispy, which is really more of my goal. Really being careful not to put too much tension on the actual bang itself too, so it doesn't like retract up a little bit. So cute. I kind of want to put like a headband on. Also, don't put fresh lip gloss on, otherwise you're gonna give yourself a mustache. I'm going to keep cutting here. I do also like kind of like a side swept bang as well. What do I think? Do I keep going? I think I'll do a little bit more and then we will shape them. And I can do a full bang cutting tutorial another day, but I think that this is actually really, really helpful too. So now that I've done this, I just need to shape them correctly. So what I'm going to do is just heat it up with the heat comb again, and then we're reforming it into the shape that we want. This is not invited here. Be gone. I want to really keep that curtain bang effect. And I do have a curling iron here that I'm considering using, or I could just keep using my heat comb and this bottle here to reform the curl. But I think just for this tutorial and because I want to keep it really more billowy, I'm going to plug in my curling iron now. Always do a test strand when you are working with synthetic hair. I know that this one can handle it as long as I'm quick enough with my motions, as in not like holding it there forever. You really want it to cool into place. So I'm going to turn it up to 330. I'm going to let it heat up and then we're going to finish styling these. Again, work in quick motions here. And however it lands, that's how it's going to lock into that shape. So I don't want it to keep too straight. I might even grab, like I had mentioned before, I have this bottle here and I might just like let it cool in its shape there. And it's nice because it actually is already cool itself. So it's helping reform that curl. That was kind of amazing. Going to repeat on this side. I saw somebody once like literally kept another curling iron by her in an ice bucket and it instantly locked it into place. Bottle is actually cool itself, so it's really helping as well. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Let me know if you do this too.